Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So again, if you're here with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons. Okay, if you are, if my sound and screen is working as well, please let me know as well. Okay, so again, it's a quick disclaimer before it starts. Okay, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning over here, make sure you go on trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional, right? So again, we're gonna start with overall IBM KLCI. It looks like today is not a good day as well. Tech's been hit quite badly, okay, to be frank. So I kind of surprised, okay, lots of gap down, but I don't think it's only tech. Some other stock actually started to gap down also. So we're gonna check today, okay, what is actually going on in the markets. But I will still think the same things, okay. Not going to simply enter the markets, okay, unless like I said you are doing a long-term investing, so that's different story. But again, today most of my daily morning sections I'm focusing into daily charts, okay, which is my time frame is on the short-term basis, okay. So what I'm referring to short-term basis is that my most of the time when I trade, my holding period is around 2 weeks to a month kind of periods, okay. So I'm looking into a trend that I can ride at least for 10 to 15% kind of gain. Okay, so if let's say sometimes I don't see that, I most probably avoid. Of course, some of you probably like to do a quick trades that when the market drop badly, then you want to enter on technical rebound. So sometimes yes, it's good to aim 3 to 4%, but I usually don't really like this kind of style. Okay, like for example, right now, people thought they're gonna reverse, but it just continued to drop badly. I think yesterday Glove also continued to drop further. Okay, so yeah, something that usually I don't like to do, like a short-term kind of rebound 3-4%. But sometimes when it drop 5-6% and you lose more. Okay, good morning, bro. What happened to Bursa? Okay, happy harmony. Yeah lah, we need to have harmony this morning. Okay, so but anyway, this is Bursa lah. I cannot really tell you what happens overall in Bursa, but for those who have been trading for 5-6 years, since 5-6 years ago, this is Bursa, right? Of course, during the COVID time, we have a very super bull run. In between, we don't have any. Those that, of course, DC team last year until July, then it started to sell off already. So, in between, of course, we have a short-term opportunity, but most of the time it's like that. Okay, I can say that. Most of the time it's like that. So a lot of people also ask me, what happened to Bursa? The rest of the market is moving up. But only Bursa looks like it's like that. Okay, it didn't really move in a very good direction. Okay, but yeah, sometimes you have to wait for the teams to come. Okay, but anyway, for fund is still selling, FF is still selling. Yeah, not much of a support in the market. Okay, so we only can look for a short-term opportunity. Wait for the next team to appear. Okay, so I was expecting technology and plantation, but technology looks like the sell-off. Okay, but we wait for the shakeout, then only we look for the opportunity. Okay, so this is something that I think we can do right now at this moment. So I still maintain the same things. I got cash in my portfolio. I just keep it there first. I don't want to simply whack the market. Okay, and then later gonna whack back. Okay, so now this is all IBM KLCI. As you can see, like I always mentioned over here, 1590. Okay, it's a crucial level. Of course, I hope they tested back 1600 again. Not only test, but have to go above for a few days, at least 1-2 weeks. Then you know the support is somehow nicer. Okay, if let's say only like one day, then just next day they drop back, it's a weak one. Okay, so it's very important. Cross 1590, best they stay above 1600. Okay, then we will see some momentum coming in already. Okay, EMCC QR out, but share price drop. Okay, I'm surprised also today also gap down. Okay, because EMCC, like I said, I was in my watch list also, but I'm not sure about the QR things. Okay, but anyway, weak markets. Okay, weak markets, good QR, bad QR, price drop. Okay, some is like I think YTL, like from mistaken. Some is like they gap up, but immediately sell off again. Okay, so sometime QR appeared in this kind of weak market, people will take advantage and sell at the top. Okay, so for me, it's more on the market environment, the old market sentiments. So even though your QR is good, it doesn't mean that today itself it will go up. Okay, so that's why most of the time if I do short to mid-term opportunities, right, trades, right, I really look into the QR. Of course, try to avoid you buy and sell during the QR data because the volatility still be there. Okay, but purely based on QR, I won't use it as my decision whether I want to enter or exit. Okay, hopefully that answers the questions. So okay, now against 1590 crucial level. Okay, if below, I would still think that market is still like that. Okay, for me, best I avoid low. Okay, if I think they will test somewhere around here, 1550, 1550. Okay, maybe it will up, down, 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 test here. Okay, maybe here we do see some rebound. Okay, maybe back to here again. Maybe we will see another 1 or 2 weeks of opportunity again, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. Okay, so if not, well, I'm just happy to keep my cash in my portfolio at this moment. Okay, so this is FBM KLCI. Let's look into the overall KLCI indices. Okay, hey, lots of green today. Okay, lots of green today. I think, okay, now mostly I think technical rebound is coming. Okay, let's try. Okay, I still interested in tech and plantation at this moment. So let's do the tech first. Wow, this one is so bad. This is not. I think this is not a shakeout already. Okay, luckily I didn't enter when the price has support. I thought support is here already. Okay, drop below, go and make a shakeout, but it didn't. Okay, so I still wait for the nice setups to enter. Right now, I think it's a bit too risky to tell whether is it the lowest area already or not for tech counters. Okay, so the next one is plantation. Plantation yesterday we do notice there's a shakeout patterns. Okay, wow. So thorough on this one. Okay, but at least holding ball lah. Okay, at least plantation is still holding ball. So it looks like right now is a good time. Okay, to trade plantation if you really want to lah. Bank still holding well. Okay, I take a look into bank. Do you trade or invest in US market, bro? Yes, but not really focus a lot. Okay, I trade a bit of penny counters like KURL. Previously I look into BBAI, FPAY, those kind of counters. Okay, so sometimes I look for those short-term opportunities. Okay, but right now also over there a bit volatile, so I just avoid first those penny counters. Okay, but those like Tesla, Apple, I don't really invest. Okay, but of course, right now in this market, good to look into that. Okay, US market. Okay, compared to Bursa right now. Okay, now plantations. Okay, this is shakeout. Okay, like the other day we mentioned that. Okay, so as long as holding ball above this support, okay, I think still good. Yesterday, not a very good closing to be frank with you. Okay, so hopefully this few days continue to hold. 7,500 would be a nice area. Okay, for plantation continue to hold. Right, if not, looks like no team for 1 month already. Okay, next month also I think also no much of the movement. Okay, so hopefully plantation is the next team that we can actually focus at least got opportunity a bit. Okay, now do let me know any counters you want me to look into. Okay, we start with EMCC first. Like I say, a bit disappointing. Personally, I was watching EMCC as well. I thought that, okay, this one holding well. When market reverse, I'm going to enter, but today kept down. Okay, so of course, support somewhere around here, 32.5 cents. This is the main support, 325. If drop below here, okay, third road this one third road So if you are entered already, make sure this is a support that you have to watch out. Okay, this is for Kelvin. Okay, now let's look into the Naga. The Naga is still holding. This is one of my long-term counters. But of course, partial exit. Hold to or let go. Okay. Now I partial exit already, so that's why I don't have much of the so-called stress, okay, whether the price will drop further or goes up, because I already in profits, okay, but just that profit lesser. Okay, now chart wise, not too strong at this moment. Okay, not too strong at this moment. Okay, so okay, of course, main support somewhere around this area here. Main support, okay, which is they are testing for several times. Okay, let me just bold it. Wait for the wait for QR soon. Oh, okay, good to know that. Yeah, that's why sometimes I don't really focus QR, but not a good thing also. Sometimes focus QL also good. At least you know how to react. Okay, but because like I said, since I'm holding for some time already, most probably I still hold because I already partial exit. Right now, okay lah, I still in profit for my Tenaga. But okay, now to answer questions, right? Tenaga, like I say, the trend change, okay, because from uptrend to somehow like this is a reaccumulation, okay. Crucial supports around this area because it tested lots of time. I think 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, including right now. So let's say break this level, you know how you should go into react already. Hey, morning Ruku. Okay, so break this level, not a good sign. Okay, break this level, not a good sign. Okay, so also this one much a bit of head and shoulder patterns a bit okay. So yeah, if let's say break this supports, I would say let go. Okay, again, not doing buy call. I might be wrong also. Sometimes you let go already. This filler might drop later, then reverse back on. Okay, so this is what we call shakeout. Sometimes when the market condition is not right, they distribute at the top, shake out, they push it back. Okay, so we wait for the shakeout for re-enter in this case. But right now at this moment here, the trend obviously is weakening. Okay, also to be frank with you, I don't like this part here. Okay, they try to break but fail. Okay, so let's say break this support. Okay, then you know what you should do already. All right, at this moment there's still above support. I say hold, break below you decide. Okay, but for me I will still hold because like I said I locked profit already, so I got no so-called those like stress if let's say they drop below the support here, unless they drop quite badly, a huge candle with high volume like those like YBS last few weeks ago dropped with high volume. Okay, the one I know most probably is game over already. Okay, a few months also most probably won't see a shakeout. Then okay, I just exit. Okay, so okay now Hong Leong Bank. Yes, I have to say that Hong Leong Bank, most of the bank are still holding pretty well. This is a type that actually they break a nice reaccumulation. Now, okay, a good example. Okay, good example is a bit similar like for example like Tenaga. Okay, a bit similar like Tenaga. So previously we have a very strong uptrend Tenaga as well. Okay, then they do a reaccumulation. So this is like a so-called crucial support. Here you notice they tested several times, right? Break. Okay, now this is what we call shakeout. Okay, usually below support, then they push. Okay, but this period over here, sometimes it will take 6 months, a year. Okay, 6 months, 3 months, 6 months. I'm not sure. Sometimes because of, especially blue chip counter, they tends to take a bit longer because it's a bit heavy to move, and sometimes it's a bit illiquid also. Okay, so for Tenaga, I do expect similar things. Okay, so which is they might break supports, drop a deep one, shake out. Okay, here before they push higher, but this process sometimes takes 6 months to a year. Okay, so this is for Grace. Okay, to take notes. Okay, now going back to Hong Leong Bank, still nice. Okay, I don't see a major issue but normally if you talk about Hong Leong Bank, Tenaga, I assume you're looking for long term as well. So as long as above this support level, I still think that it's a good setups. Okay, EP, of course, you ask me is best is support 20 ringgit this is 20 ringgit, I believe 20 ringgit 10 cents. It's currently is 70 cents so if you think that not much only 5 cents 50 cents only that I can afford to take the risk, I think okay. 3 ringgit 10 cents and 20 cents is a good deal. Okay, at this moment over here. So if I look into analyzer, this is my I relied on this FA rating to help me out. Okay, so 5 out of 9 5 out of 9. Okay, this is TA. TA is 5.5 over 10. So it means that it's not too trending, but at least in uptrend. Okay, it's not a very super climatic type. So okay, for those who love to enjoy those slow and steady kind of counters. So FA was 5 out of 9. Definitely not the best one. Okay, but it's not bad either. So 5 out of 9 is okay. For me, best FA 7 out of 9. That's the best one. Okay, so this is a quick one for Hong Leong. Okay, Petgas, Petronas Gas. Okay, this one also I recently released QR, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, slow and steady type. I got nothing much to comment on this. Okay, okay, best use weekly chart. Okay, this kind of counters. Okay, break above this long period of so-called resistance. Okay. Okay, now this one weekly support. The immediate support I would think somewhere around here. 17 ringgit. Okay, 17 ringgits. Okay. It's my still bearish. Teruk lah. I think lagi teruk lah market. Okay. 17 ringgit I think is the best deal. Okay, so yeah, probably you can aim somewhere around here. All right, so this one trend still good. Okay, slow and steady time. Okay, slow and steady times. Okay, let's go back to my daily chart. Any other? Okay, let's try Bursa. Wow, this one downtrend already. This one you wait for the shakeout lah. Grace. Okay, now this is example when they break below support, pop, go lower already. Okay, a bit similar to Naga right now. It's support already, so you must watch out. So okay, not to say it's game over lah. Not to say it's game over because I do see it drop. Okay, but the volume on the down bar is not heavy. It's not high. Okay, it's average. So I think that maybe they will do a shakeout. But like I said, this kind of counters, shakeout sometimes takes 6 months. Unless you boleh tahan. You tell me that 6 months, 1 year, okay, one stock I can hold for 20 years also, no problems. Then okay, right? So okay, if not, next support you can watch out. I think here, this is previously 7 ringgit 70 cents. Okay, 7 ringgit 70 cents will be probably your next support. But I think the crucial one will be here. 7 ringgit 20 cents. Okay, somehow the more crucial one. So 7 ringgit 20 cents. Okay, we got somewhere previously somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, so this is the main support they must hold. So EP, because this one's still in downtrend, unless next week, next 2 weeks, they start to do reversal. Probably you can ask me again. Okay, but right now, daily chart, even weekly chart, I don't see reversal. So the best one we can use support as the guideline. Okay, these two, 7 ringgit 70 cents, 7 ringgit 20 cents. Okay, let's go back to my daily. Okay, any other counters? Can check Suncon. Okay, let's check Suncon. Suncon. Okay, looks like a big shakeout. Okay, here we got high volume pushing it back. Okay, Suncon, I think previously, Ruku asked me, is it? Someone asked me. Okay, but there's some change in terms of trend already. Okay, if not mistaken, you asked me before, Ruku, and my view is still the same. If you're looking for long term, must be careful because okay, weekly wise looks like there is a shooting star. Okay, very sharp one. Drop badly, very sharp also with high volume. Normally, this is a symptom of potential distribution. Okay, potential distribution, which is I think you should take note. Okay, now short term wise, okay, strength candle is back. Good thing. Okay, looking for short term lah. So here we got a small gap with a strength. Okay, this is what it means. The arrow is a strength. Okay, so while try to buy near to the strength candles, which is okay. This is the strength candles right here. Okay, try to buy at the low of the strength candles. So it looks like 425 is a great deal right now. Okay, if you're looking for EP. All right, so if let's say break below, okay, watch out. Okay, so like I say, for those who subscribe to my X chart over here, you use the indicators. Okay, this one at least, not to say guarantee it will win all the time. I cannot win all the time also, but at least it will provide you certain information, like first of all, your risk to reward, your support resistance, okay, and what you should do. Okay, so for example, right now, okay, over here, this is the strength candles. Notice. Okay, of course I don't use this up because this is already moving up. Okay, this one's sideways. Okay, so here will be your leader support. All right. So if let's say, for example, you buy on the next day, it goes up, assuming the profits, it slams down, then you know what you should do already, and you avoid all this. Okay, so same things over here. This is your strength candles. Okay, supports. It might goes up, I don't know. Maybe it will test here again, somewhere around this area, then later it reverse. Okay, so when you reverse hit here, then you know what you should do. All right, so for those who are using my XIFU apps, you can also access to this chart over here. Or if you subscribe to X-Chart directly to the website, okay, easy. You just pull this out, go to this new settings. Okay, we got this pullback alerts. Okay, just tick it. Okay, then you can see already. So of course, inside here we also got insider buy sell. Sometimes I see something interesting, I will look for more information. I will see, okay, who is selling, who is buying. But normally I don't follow EPF lah. EPF for me it's not the market operators. I like to see the owner itself. Okay, sometimes the owner buy already. Few weeks later, you see the strength candle coming already. Then you know, okay, macam other story lah. So something that I do lah previously, I will see whether these strength candles supported with some previous buying or not. Okay, you know what it means, right? So if you know what it means, type 1, if not, type 2. Okay, well, CPE Tech. CPE Tech, why recently macam illiquid? I didn't really monitor this stock for some time already. After I think we sell out, after it breaks support. Very illiquid, this counter. Suddenly became illiquid. I thought this one should be quite a popular stocks. To be frank with you, I don't see setups. Okay. The good thing is that it didn't impact a lot in this big market. Maybe because of the reasons why it liquids, okay, so it didn't really have much impact on the market. So okay, now downtrend reversal, high volume going into accumulation. So for me, CPE Tech is in accumulation phase. Okay, thank you, Ruku. If you want to enter, of course, if you're really keen, but I think this is a bit illiquid counter. Sometimes illiquid counter, one thing I don't like is that buy is easy, sell is difficult. Okay, so here, main support. Right now, this is the main support right now. 85 cents if you really want to. 85 cents. Okay, but right now it's in the accumulation phase. So accumulation phase, expect sideways or expect a shakeout. Okay, so this is for CPE Tech. Okay, any other questions? Do let me know. If not, probably just go into my alerts over here today and see. Why can I pull up my alerts? Okay, wait. Okay, TM. Okay, nothing much also today. TM. Okay, this one's still good. Wow, reversing. But it's a 7 ringgit counters. Okay, if you want to, can. Okay, Lei Hong, nothing much as well, I think. CMSB. Okay, CMSB. CMSB looking good. CMSB looking good. Okay. Right, CMSB, reversal. At least we got something. But today enter or not, I don't think so. I don't dare to enter in this market. Okay, but good to keep in your watch list, right? At least you know this counter is reversing. And also I think coming from a major support somewhere here previously. Okay, so at least it's a reversal trade. We got a gap up. Okay, let me just put this up. We got a gap up here and they are holding back. Okay, 1.1, I think it will be served as a support. Okay, 1.1. All right, so at least we find something here. Okay, any others? Let's see. TM Lei Hong, Arfin, I think just now we review already. Pastech. Pastech, okay. Just one a bit similar EMCC. Wait for a few more weeks. Okay, to ensure the setups. Okay, yeah, not good. Okay, nothing much. Same as me. At least today's a good one. Okay, times.com. Let's see. Grace say breakup. Oh, okay. This one also reaccumulation. Okay, breakup. No breakup today, but okay. But long-term view long-term view Assuming you're looking for long-term Grace. Grace like this kind of counters one. Tenaga Bursa times.com Okay, against reaccumulation phase. This one other shakeout. Okay, this one other shakeout. Okay, I think the shakeout is here. Somewhere around here. Okay, PSC resistance. support, shakeout first round, support, shakeout, okay? So now looks like doing a shakeout. Breaking above here, okay, it might retest on the resistance, okay? But normally got reaccumulation, got shakeout one is good. This is kind of like telling you that, okay, the so-called the markets or the operator are still keen and interested. Just that, I mean, makes sense. Sometimes stocks, right, go up too much already. This is how much. 2 ringgit something to 5 ringgit, almost 100% already. So market will be exhausted, there will be sellers. So sometimes, yes, a bit of selling might be happening. So that's why reaccumulation happen. Or maybe shakeout happen. Shakeout is like trying to remove certain seller from the market, and then they try to buy back at the lower price. So hopefully the next one they can push up higher. Okay, so yes, long-term wise, I think times.com is one of the so-called good setups right now to monitor. Okay, let's go into analyzer. 6 out of 9, okay, not bad. Okay, 6 out of 9 for FA. TA was 5.6 over 10. So not too bad as well. Okay, so which means that going up, but in a slow pace. Okay, it's not those like going up, but suddenly you slam down and itu takut. Okay, so if let's say there's no questions, I'll end my section for today. So once again, thank you for joining me in this daily morning updates over here. If you like my section, help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. I have Telegram. Join my Telegram. Of course, recently it's a bit quiet. I have to admit that because sometimes also I got nothing to post. Market is like that, right? Open, nothing to see. Then we just stay away. This is the best thing we can do. Okay, we don't want to, because today I got time, I got money in my portfolio, I force myself to enter, right? So with this, once again, thank you, and I will see you again tomorrow.